Hello friends, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to make mango ice cream. It's a mango season, so I am going to make it with some fresh mangoes here. So first we'll work on our mangoes. I have 5 mangoes. Sorry, I just got too excited looking at the mangoes. Here I have 14 ounces of condensed milk, which is almost 400 grams. I have whipped cream, which is 8 ounce, 226 grams. So we will be adding our whipped cream in the condensed milk and the mango pulp, and this is the perfect ratio. If you are using 8 ounces of whipped cream, you will be using 14 ounces of condensed milk. And then mangoes, you can put it as per the flavor. Like more mangoes you put, it's going to be more mango flavor. So I have 5 mangoes. You can reduce them or add more, doesn't matter. So I'm going to just peel the mangoes and then we'll make a pulp. Any size is fine because we are going to blend them anyways. So okay, and now we'll be doing the same process with our remaining mangoes. And the seed that's here, will be not using the seeds. So here I have the mangoes. I'll be doing the same thing with the remaining ones and we'll be making a pulp. Okay, done cutting all our mangoes, and now we'll be blending them in the mixture to make a puree, and then we'll start working on the remaining ingredients. Now I'm going to blend our mangoes. We got our puree ready, the mango pulp. So now we'll be mixing our ingredients. We'll be using the same spoon as we are going to mix everything together, so it doesn't matter. And this is sweet condensed milk, so I'm not going to add any sugar. The mangoes are sweet and the condensed milk, it's just going to be perfect sweetness wise. So we do not need any additional sugar. And now whipped cream. Okay, and now we'll be blending all the three ingredients and mixing them together. Okay, our mix is ready. Now we are just going to put it in the container where we are going to in which we are going to set our ice cream. Okay, so this container is done. I may need another one to put the remaining ice cream. So this is ready. We'll have to refrigerate it for 10 to 12 hours. Okay, our ice cream is ready, and now I'm going to it does taste just like outside ice cream. There are no colors, no preservatives used. Do try this recipe. It's extremely easy. Thank you for watching my videos. If you do like them, please share, subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.